back today to conclude and to live up to a commitment that the government of Dr. Andrew Holness made in providing housing solutions for those persons who were affected by this fire. And we're not just giving them a house. Never before in Jamaica's history of any government build houses and furnish it and give the people. Our indigent housing program comes with house, bathroom and toilet inside. We give you a water tank, we put up all curtain, mat, everything that is required. Bed, refrigerator, stove. We're now looking now to put in solar system. We have done it already in 2 houses. And going further, that is going to be a feature of our indigent housing program. Here is a government who cares for the people. Consider the plight of the Jamaican people.
I stand here today to express gratitude to a wonderful and caring Minister Desmond Mackenzie, who had supported us through this treacherous journey. So we thank you for such a beautiful house we are able to call home. To our Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness, thank you for supporting Minister Mackenzie on this notable venture. We look forward to making many, many beautiful memories being made here.